John, first of all, IPL says this is the worst windstorm damage they've seen since the 1980s. When we got to this part of College Park neighborhood today, it was dark, including this retirement or senior living center and hundreds of apartments. The lights came on this afternoon. I spoke with one woman. She told me she had a furnace and a fireplace going, trying to stay warm. Wind gusts of more than 60 miles an hour raked across the county Saturday afternoon, snapping power lines, trees, utility poles across the entire county. The numbers: 55,000 people were without power. Repair crews turned the lights on to all but 5,000 of those customers this morning. The latest number this afternoon, about 2,600 waiting for power. A good number of those customers will be without lights, hot water, heat, and working stoves for yet another night. What's taking so long? Well, the scattered outages are small, fewer than 50 customers. 300 of them have only one customer. That slows down the process.
On the restoration effort, to get 5 customers back in is in some cases almost the same as if we're putting 500 customers back in, because it takes the same amount of time.
People in this neighborhood should be coming home and are coming home to bright houses and apartments along with heat. We'll show you what repair crews went through to restore power here. The good news is the utility company, IPL, says that it's giving priority to the customers who've been without power the longest. This is something we're going to be following for at least another day.